Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of mastering Arduino from beginners to core advanced. In this tutorial we are getting to learn about what is digital read and how we can view the value of the digital pin at the serial port. Okay, about the digital signal, as I have told you earlier, that digital signal can possess only two states, that are 0 and 1. It is being shown in a square wave such as like this. Here you can see that it is 0, it is 1, it is 0 again. This can be shown as a square wave, so it can possess only two values. Okay, now about the digital signal, for that we have to set the pin of the Arduino as input so that it can read it, so can it read the voltage, and again we have to open the serial monitors, we have to initialize it so that we can see the state of the light. Okay, let's just go to Arduino. Okay, let's just go to Arduino, open the Arduino panel. Okay, go to example, select basics and select digital read serial. Okay, in this program it is written that first of all the value that the pin that we have to read it is set as pin number 2. So go to pin number 2 and connect a wire on it. Okay, in the serial void setup you can see that first of all they have initialized the serial monitor by setting the baud rate to 9600. Okay, and they have the pin mode or the push button. You can avoid writing push button, just write the pin number such as pin number 2 and set it at input so that it will read it. Okay, now go to void loop. It has said that void button state will be digital read push button. Remove the push button and write it value 2 for your better understanding and a clear knowledge of the thing. In the void loop the program is saying that the button state variable will check the state of the digital pin 2. Whenever the state of the digital pin 2 will be changed from 0 to 1 or vice versa, it will give a value to button state and the button state will be printing it. In the next line you can see that it will be checking the microcontroller in every 1 millisecond. Okay, first of all upload the code to the microcontroller. We are uploading it. It will take some second to compile it and then convert it into hexadecimal and download it to the board. Now it is converted. Open the serial monitor. Okay, now we can see a garbage value or a value that is changing from 0 to 1. Don't mind that, it is only a garbage that is generated by the microcontroller. Okay, here you can see 3 wires. First of all, the wire that is connected to the digital pin 2. Second, a red wire connected to 5 volt and a black wire connected to ground. Whenever you connect the digital pin to the black wire, it will show a fixed value of 0. Okay, this is saying that the digital value have a low value or it is connected to the ground. Whenever you connect it to the 5 volt, it will show a value of 1. Again, let me show you the pin that is connected to the digital pin 2. Okay, connected to ground, it will show a fixed value of 0. You can see that the garbage, after garbage you can click it, you can again see that it has a fixed value of non-changing because it is set to ground or it is set to low. Okay, another time let us connect it to the 5 volt and you can see it has a fixed value of 1. Removing it will be causing a garbage. We don't want the garbage, but whenever you connect it, it will show a fixed value of 1. Well, this is the program for the digital pin and this is for the digital read in the serial monitor. Okay, thanks for watching this. Have a nice day.